work in progress. I mean, I still got a ways to go with this truck. Take my time on it. Like I say, you can see all the headlights been changed out, grill, logo I made. I'm still working on that logo. I think I'm gonna add some more strips and adjustable lights in it, of course. Train horn on the bottom. Majority of the chrome I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna strip the majority of the chrome on this truck, and I think I'm gonna probably like maybe just have just chrome on the front end and just the bumper. Almost all the lights have been changed out. Tail lights. Tail lights have been changed out on the thing. It has the new tail light on it. The cargo light has been changed out. Cargo light's been changed out on it also. The bed liners, you know, no lining in the bed yet. And right now I just use this truck to haul a little trash, so you know, it's also the third brake light also. Tag lights have been changed out.